Have you ever walked into a workspace so cluttered it made you wonder how anyone could find anything? Now, imagine a system that not only clears that clutter, but transforms a chaotic environment into a model of efficiency and productivity. This is the power of the 5S system, a cornerstone of lean manufacturing principles designed to enhance workplace organization and efficiency. The journey through the 5S system begins with the first S, sort, or in Japanese, seiri. This step is all about decluttering. Go through every item in your workspace and ask, is this necessary? If the answer is no, it's time for it to go. By eliminating what's not needed, workers save time and reduce distractions, focusing solely on essential tools and information. Next, we move to set in order, or Seitan. Once the excess is gone, organize what remains. Every tool, every document, every piece of equipment should have a designated place, preferably one that makes sense logically and reduces motion waste. For instance, placing frequently used items near at hand. This not only speeds up work, but also reduces the physical strain on workers. The third S stands for shine, or say so. This is where cleanliness comes into play. Regular cleaning should be integrated into daily work routines, not only to maintain aesthetic standards, but also to prevent machinery breakdowns and ensure safety in the workplace. A clean workspace is a safer workspace, where hazards are easily spotted and can be addressed promptly. Following shine, we establish Standardize, or seiketsu. This step is about setting up rules that ensure the first three S's are performed consistently and correctly. Use clear labels, color coding, or even shadow boards to make sure that everyone knows where items belong and how the space should be maintained. This creates a standard procedure that everyone in the workplace can follow, making it easier to maintain order and cleanliness. Finally, we uphold all these practices through sustain, or shitsuke. This is perhaps the most challenging step, as it requires ongoing commitment. It involves regular audits, continuous training, and fostering an organizational culture that values tidiness and orderliness. The goal here is to make the 5S principles a habitual part of work, not just a one-time project. In summary, the 5S system begins with sorting out unnecessary items, setting in order the essentials, shining up the workplace, standardizing procedures, and sustaining these practices over time. Each step is crucial. Together, they create a workspace that is not just clean and efficient, but also conducive to higher productivity and enhanced safety. Implementing the 5S system effectively can dramatically transform any work environment, turning chaos into order and inefficiency into a streamlined process of continuous improvement.